Do you ever feel like you're running on empty? No matter how much you sleep, you know the feeling, that frustrating combination of persistent fatigue, stubborn weight gain, and a general sense of being off. It's easy to dismiss these symptoms as just a normal part of a busy life. But what if they were all connected by a single, hidden culprit? Your body might be telling you it's time for a detox. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are under constant pressure, from processed foods and high-sugar diets to chronic stress and environmental pollutants. We're often fighting an uphill battle. This lifestyle can throw your body's delicate pH balance out of whack, creating an acidic internal environment. An acidic internal environment, often caused by modern lifestyles, can lead to a silent epidemic of health issues. Symptoms like persistent fatigue, bloating, unexplained weight gain, skin problems, and a weakened immune system are not minor inconveniences. They are signs that your body's pH balance is off and needs to be addressed to prevent long-term health problems. Imagine feeling lighter, more energetic, and truly in sync with your body again. What if there was a simple, all-natural way to hit the reset button? Introducing Spirulin Plus, a powerful supplement designed to help you reclaim your vitality. This isn't just another pill. It's a synergistic blend of natural ingredients, including spirulina, chlorella, dandelion, and green tea. Together, these components work to restore your pH levels, flushing out excess water to reduce bloating and swelling, and boosting your energy and mental clarity. By addressing these root causes, the supplement supports healthy weight management and a stronger immune system, helping you feel more vibrant and focused. 95% of users reported significant improvements in their appearance and how they felt after using the product. The testimonials highlight a return of youthful energy, better skin and weight management, and a general feeling of being more vibrant and balanced. The text encourages readers to take control of their health by trying the product, which is described as a simple 2-capsule-a-day solution to combat fatigue and bloating.